When you were sitting down with people in their homes, learning about their family, trying to educate them on perhaps some better strategies they could do with their family, what did you identify there that you couldn't find in the books that you were reading?
Wow, what a great question, James. What a great question. It's one thing to read about like a child saying like, I hate you. Or it's one thing to read about like a sibling being aggressive to their younger sibling. It's one thing to read about how it's important to raise kids with chores. But in reality, like we're all we're all in it. We all have imperfect kids. We all got our stuff.
Mhm.
Some stuff is more intense than others. Screen addiction, violence, scary stuff around all the scary stuff that's going on right now with kids. So to see it there is very educational, but it's also very wonderful because you can look at these parents and in a really confident, genuine tone, you can say, we're going to get through this. You can do this. Other parents have got through this. You can do this. And I'm going to give you some tools you need, and then you're not going to need me anymore because you're the leader. You're the parent. You love this family. You love these kids. You're going to get through this. And then just see that sense of relief. Like,